Hey, Beat Up is only a couple of blocks away.
The hood's all messed up, huh?
Not good, Mom.
Yeah, you try to get any of these crackheads to help you out.
No wonder the families ain't up on it.
Apart from Smoke, Sweet, and you know yours truly, Grove Street don't bang no more.
Yeah, just get blown.
For sure.
Of course, we're non-stop around here. Radio Los Santos.
Hey, let's just cruise through the hood and find us somebody selling.
Nada. Yo soy chingón ese, like Al Capone ese. Controla todo, so never try to sweat me. Some of you don't know what's happening. Que pasa? It's not for you anyway, cause this is for the raza. This is for the raza.
Hey, partner, I'm working, man. What you need? What you need? Ah, you a scrapper then.
Man, I know this cat. He a punk used to run with a front. Hey, grab hold of that bat over there.
Man, we on a serious mission now. Hey, I'm a
Man,
positive
don't
role
sweat it,
model.
homie. Everybody in the hood know ballers are pussies.
The foreign tongue I'm speaking is known as Galo. You sound scared, loco, you so remind. Tú no sabes nada, your business hot, don't be hit in the head too many times with a bottle. Still you're trying to act. But you should know. So
Man, you can smell a crack den a mile away.
Yeah, let's shoot through and introduce ourselves.
Good afternoon, baller dope pushers, Grove Street OGs.
Grove Street going down!
Ninja these motherfuckers.
Think you can ball better than us? And you got business here, homie?
Ah! Oh! Ah!
You scrapping with the champ. Fool, man. Yes, I'm a maniac with it.
Don't block me, homie.
Now ballers know Grove Street families on their way back up.
You just a peewee, you can't get none ever.
For sure, homie. And what's more, you ain't run out on
We
me.
both know you gonna
Time's
regret that.
changing.
Oh man, they gonna be mad at us.
And I'll warn the gang later.
Respond to attention 17.
Streaming home, no barriers, Chicago. And I'm proud and proud. Want this chingazo, Simona said, let's get down.
For now, let's just bask in the silence of victory, motherfucker.
I'm with my homeboys, my camaradas, getting back with me, young and my people is now. We're switching borders, like Al Capone said. Controla todo, so never try to sweat me. Some of you don't know what's happening. Que pasa? It's not for you anyway, cause this is for the raza. This is for the raza.
Now that the bass ain't getting pushed up in their faces, maybe these fools should be up for some real banging.
Yeah, Grove gonna get back on his feet now, for sure though.
Later, homie.